hi there, it's Sam Davis here with samsphotogallery.com. I had an excellent day on Sunday doing a photo shoot for Kayda Outdoor Products. Kayda Outdoor Products are a local Shropshire brand, and they have loads of different gear that you can buy, mainly wearables, but they've got some accessories as well for humans and dogs too. So I'll share some of those photos at the end of the video today. Also, we gave the GoPro camera to Henry, who I think was, I don't know, he must be a 10 or younger than that, and he did some really good behind the scenes footage for us, so that was really good fun, and I think they all had a good time. We had 2 families, children and a dog, so quite a lot to handle on the day, but it all went really well. It just was really casual, really nice, and I think we got some good images. So here's the behind the scenes footage, and then at the end we got some of the photos as well to share with you too. Alright folks, we are behind the scenes at Kayda Outdoors doing a bouldering photo shoot with younger models, older models, tiny models, infinity tiny models.
Oh, he's up!
Yeah.
No, it needs to go the other way.
Oh, yeah. Behind the scenes we've got next Olympic champion too.
We can put on that.
It's quite pretty, isn't it?
Just go up there.
Yeah, we will go up there in a minute. Oh, it's cold.
I can take pictures of
Is that it? So for this photo shoot, camera gear wise, I was using 2 Olympus OM system cameras. One was an Olympus EM-5 Mark II, and that had the 45mm f1.8 prime lens on, which I absolutely love for portraits. It just is beautifully sharp. It's got a really nice bokeh in the background, and lots of really nice rich colours come through that lens. And then the other camera I used was the OM system OM-5, which had the 12-40 f2.8 Pro lens on it, and I used that just to be able to change quickly between the wider shot and then slightly more zoomed in shot as well, and just switching between those cameras really nicely. And yeah, basically the shots, they've got the same colour profiles and everything, and they're all pretty consistent as well between the 2 cameras. So we got a variety of shots, mainly of the people wearing the clothes, but also some environmental shots as well, mainly of the children around a cliff top just looking out at the view, and also just people having fun and having a laugh as well. And I think that those personalities really came through really nicely during the photo shoot. We also had the dog Biffy, who he had his drinking bowl, and there were some treat pouches as well for him. And so they've got some really nice products, Kayda Outdoor. So links to all of the gear that I use in this photo shoot, including the camera gear and also Kayda's own outdoor products as well, there's links below in the description to the video, so please check those out. So also for this photo shoot as well, Josh at Kayda Outdoor, he wanted some photos of the clothes being used for what they were designed for, which was one of the fleeces he had was made for bouldering and climbing, because you can lift up your arm to stretch out your arm, and it doesn't make the back of the fleece right up, exposing your waist and getting all drafty. So that was something we really tried to capture during the photo shoot. And I think if we do this again, we'll probably all get on the ropes. I've got my working at height safety certificate, and also I'm familiar with twin rope systems as well, so I can be hanging off the cliff edge with all my harnessing gear on, and take some photos and do some filming as well while on the ropes, while other people are doing what they do best, which is, well, the climbing and the looking good. So yeah, if you'd like what you've seen on the images that we got from the photo shoot, please do contact me if you would like to get some images of these like these for yourself. I do outdoor photo shoots, bit of drone work as well. You know, do get in contact. We can make a real nice few video clips for you too. So yeah, do contact me using the contacts form on my website, or just drop me a WhatsApp message me through Instagram, however you like. Email, send me a pigeon.